grade bass players, we're working on our Sound Innovations book numbers 22 and 23, which is focusing on C major. Again, C major refers to playing with twos on the D, and C, which is your fourth finger or first finger in third position, and starting with 2 on the A string for C. C major again means that there's no sharps or flats in the song. Also, there are staccatos and dynamics, particularly in number 22. So here we go. Let's try number 22.
Maddie's Dance.
And let's play number 23. I'm just going to move my screen so you can see my bow a little better. All right, here we go. Number 23. Remember, there's a pickup note first, so there's one note before the whole measure starts. So we're going to go up bow. Again, it starts with G and then goes to A2. Here we go, 23.
All Beautiful, the March of Days.
I hope that helps with your practicing. Oops, sorry, thought I stopped it. I hope that helps with your practicing bass players. I'll see you later. Bye.